Okay, situation report. Akwa Okuko Tiwara Aki, onye eze Jesus, ya na-eke hit. Unu mana ha jere court today. So many people are na-eme video, na-post, ndị na-ekwu ihe a na-ekwu. Na mana o nwere two people nchọrọ ka ngwagodo okwu. Number one, who this guy a na-agba Okongwu Dibia. Also Delisi. Ya na Igwe Credo, nwa mbem. These two people ka nchọrọ ka ngwa okwu. Geenụ ntị. Unu amanizi n'ibe unu na-amani, ọwụ ihe ọma ka unu na-emela akwa. You need Jamia because no maybe Akwa no little ego kono batana good book ye or we even make on nemela akwa. Now listen, Anambra state government and Wahamba Haji hate Akwa. Onye hate Akwa. Onye hate these people. Government allow government to do their job or their job call. Ona Akwa no was only abanguri emba. CS no na riego guma west no na bindoge. Only government when right. So na Nigeria ka na wo Adherence because na imo onye omo because na awo agaranya ndozi ekube why ejime ekwesigi happy ya job do oyibo my brother commit a crime putata afu njogi imekata ha ga against the law you suffer onye osoro gi woro onwe onye magi no matter your level onwe onye da above the law. That is why ejinwe law when government no there to protect you. Listen and listen carefully. I want these people when you tell when you have government agagi happen since. And the next ha won no ke egbo egbo eji ha won no na e3 ha no ka no. Onye awon ma akwa na akwa a good guy. He's a good great philanthropist. O mbatara ego. O nwere obi eji enyere ụmụazị aka. O nwere obi eji enyere ndị mmadụ aka. Ọ na-eri ego ebe ọ batara na ama na ono. O contribute to so many lives of so many people. Man o nwere lifestyle ọ na-ebi government chọrọ correct. Only lifestyle, only these people na impose to Anambra state youth government in anya simba. We need to curtail this. At least come as managodi na ana atafu wela abatego. Ka youth of these days manana yes you suffer. Na nwata pụta oga gụọ akwụkwọ, ma nwata pụta oga mụọ ọrụ, ma nwata pụta chọọ ihe ọ na-arụ zụọ ahịa gba boy. Oh ihe eji wee zu igbo ihe eji were pụta. Ọwụ onye pụta je I believe that at the age of 20 or at the age of 21 you kwesịghị ịgbaba Benz. At the age of 20 or yeah, you was give you was give the vocation to new again, you was give again, and those notion can government teacher or hotel. So Gagodin under that side, they do have because in A3. Here Okongwu Dibia Jesse now you people should stop making these people making their issue to be complicated in their happen to the government to do their job. As you go to court, then have a court will be charge free, you go home. I won't need that crime 100 above the law. And the end why you know Ganus way can happen government law government our friend on your one. My brother, you kukata kuti here you way by in. Akwa Kabakala can anyway. Akwa Kabakala can come water can acquire who go over the French. Abatuna Akatu Bounu, only catch of Wogidia. You will not come out. You will not government in one muddy. You people should come down. Allow go one year hatred, one year move, edgy chavo and SAG, one year above the law. But Briskim and Coleman and Miami famous Yanino Maganoya 6 months, but I see joy, Erok Akoretri. Omazi by Motakwa Yana, Omazi by Motakwa, or we will put the Bulo Kitam or we Jabuna, Awaginaja, Waragibu, Waragara, Abaki, Batego. No, you hustle to make money. There must be process, Batego. That is we we had the lazy. Man, you to buy this in a delicious actually honor. The notion who got the government teacher can control. So agency won't take it, Nanachagi won't need the guilty. You face the law. Oh God, that is your no question. I won't call Nabatana Nigeria or opposite down. Like governor passing my what about these people are saying. Man, then I saw 400 days and wine. Always the one you commit the crime or carry government. That is one thing about government for you. So, Kono Hadija Gonu Kutero Muni Heja Abono Biakawa. Hey, ndani na jinja onu na pa wonu because onu nwere Facebook account you can come call governor boy okwu anyhow admiral ana ma achu onu ochi maka boss aka na boy ahụ onu ofu aka iye ha akwụkwa ba you will not see them. You will not see them. No no ekwu ya wonu like ri akwa onwe onu aka ha m like akwa onu aka everybody onu aka ha government like akwa correction ga na enye for the society to learn na life one na ma wodi ego ọzọ gị bata carry her government dey above the law hotagodi today mutagodi amuta no nwe ebe quick money dey. My brother, all you hustle or ego make investment in when you can spend the money. That is the rule ego siaga. And I can walk and I can look when I man see. Eastern Garden Estate Oka, Amansi Oka, and as we is it back get a plot 4.5 million, 50 by 100, 465 square meter. Manakwa no instant allocation and try to have deed of agreement, power of attorney, and register government survey plan. Here, your documentation within 4 days of payment. All the guarantee and genuine. You can give my phone number. But today, Kebia Golana invest here today for better tomorrow. Before na chova ekugomana difference of alcohol and his own.
This video, like, comment, drop your thoughts on the comment section, subscribe, like this video. Thank you for watching. God bless you.